Hello, lovely students. Welcome to English Notes. Today's topic is related to physics. Now, in this video, we will discuss the Coulomb's law. The basic idea imagines you have two charged particles like two tiny invisible magnets for electricity, and the Coulomb's laws is simply the rules that tell us how strongly they will attract or repel each other. The three main points is first is like charge repel, opposite charge attract. This is the most important part. Think of it like two north poles of a magnet pushing away from each other. Two opposite plus and plus repel. Two negative minus and minus repel. The positive and negatives plus and minus attract. Number two, the closer they are, the stronger the force. This is very natural. If you push two repelling magnets very close, you feel a strong push. If you pull them apart, the force gets much weaker very quickly. Coulomb's law says the force gets weaker with the squares of distance. This is the fancy way of saying if you double the distance, the force becomes only 1/4 as strong. Number three, the bigger the charge, the stronger the force. This is almost makes sense. The small statics shock from a doorknob that has small charge, the giant lighting bolts has a huge charge. The bigger the individual charge or the more powerfully they will push or pull on each other. The simple formula, if we were writing it as a simple sentence equations, it would be the electric force is equals to a constant plus the size of charge. The electric force is equal to a constant multiply the size of charge 1 multiply the size of charge 2 divided by the distance between them power 2. The simple analogy. Think of it like gravity, but for electric charge, gravity is the force of attraction between two objects with mass. Coulomb's law is the force of attractions or repulsions between two objects with charge.